As far as Doge support floor, it truly is presently 5 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost investigation in a real sense is negative today, which sort of is very critical. Dogecoin in every way that really matters has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge falls 0.18% in 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. The 29th of May 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible, basically clarified some things. What truly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin? In a real sense, is Doge a wise venture, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, prior to jumping truly profound into the Doge specialized investigation, let us generally discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $150,973,041,636 in an extremely significant manner. The complete exchanging volume especially remains at $33,1,951,281 in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $150,973,041,636, which generally is very critical, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value reduction of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing that the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified pressing issues. What truly is truly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, especially is Doge a truly wise speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, which fundamentally is very huge. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, especially further appearance how the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly really sought clarification on something. What most certainly is extremely transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Explicitly, is Doge a very wise interest in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for fundamentally transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Clarified pressing issues. What by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Basically, is Doge an especially wise interest in a significant manner. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Pretty further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a value decline of 1.15% coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours, showing that the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time especially sought clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is truly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Basically, is Doge a wise venture, which essentially is very huge? Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense is very huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers by and large become especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially further appearance how which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin truly is at 7 cents, down 1.24% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 0.18% throughout the week in an exceptionally enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 165,860,612.00 US dollars, while extremely all-out market cap came to $10,179,925 USD, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very critical. There most certainly are practically 139,550,966,384 really are available for use out of 139,550,966,384, showing how Dogecoin cost examination basically is negative today in an essentially significant manner. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time span certainly made sense of underneath, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving extremely normal and dramatic moving essentially normal to examine the future development of the Dogecoin, which explicitly shows that similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors explicitly move really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, genuinely further appearance how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. While Doge's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal by and large is for the most part conceivable at this reach. So Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is negative today in an extremely enormous manner. The MACD line essentially is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid. Further appearance how as far as Doge support floor, it in every practical sense, is currently 5 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day graph, which fundamentally shows that while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of relative strength record shows that the Dogecoin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI certainly is at 24, exhibiting that Doge